Developing news we're following for you tonight. A Norwich nursing home is closing after a coronavirus outbreak. State leaders are now ordering Three Rivers Nursing Home to relocate everyone.
Now, just last week, the Department of Public Health appointed a temporary manager to bring the facility into compliance. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson is joining us now live with the very latest. And Sharon, what does the temporary manager now have to say about all of this?
Well, Mark and Aaron, the temporary manager actually was the one that recommended the nursing home be shut down. And she says there was no way Three Rivers could be brought up to speed by their September 30th deadline.
I've never served in a facility that I did not believe I could bring into timely compliance.
Temporary manager Catherine Sachs says it took her 30 hours at Three Rivers Nursing Home to decide compliance wasn't possible. A COVID outbreak at Three Rivers Nursing Home started in July. By August 24th, the state cited the home for several infectious control violations. The DPH says since July, 21 residents and 6 staff members have gotten COVID and 4 people have died. Sachs was brought into the home late last week to help build compliance.
The temporary manager identified widespread problems in the facility. They related to delivery of care, to inadequate infection control.
Sachs says some of the biggest problems were severe understaffing and lack of training with staff members. Now 53 residents will be transferred to other facilities. 17 of those residents have COVID-19.
I was hurting, inside. You know what I mean? You watch your residents be A-okay and then they're sick.
A staff member who asked not to be identified says COVID test results took too long.
I blame the state because it shouldn't have got this far. You know what I mean? We were asking for this, we were asking for that, but we weren't getting our tests back as quick as they should have came.
A local union that represents nursing home employees also points fingers at the state, saying in a statement, quote, if the state had done a better job enforcing and ensuring compliance with infection controls and other safety protocols, DPH may have avoided the drastic measures that the state has announced today. DPH must do better. Sachs says they will relocate 10 residents a day.
This is a difficult and sad step that we have to take, but the department has concluded that it's in the best interest of the health and safety of the residents, staff, and families at this facility.
NJAAC Health Center operates Three Rivers. They say they support the state's decision to transfer residents, and they say they will be working with families to safely relocate them. Live at the digital desk tonight, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.